Struggling to organize your Discord server with separate channels? Learn how to create text and voice channels in under 2 minutes. First, we'll create a text channel, then a voice channel. Both are simple and include an optional privacy toggle. Start by opening Discord and clicking your server icon on the left. Then, locate the channel category where you want the new channel. Hover over the category heading and click the plus icon that appears. In the pop-up, choose Text Channel for typing messages and sharing files. Now type a name for your channel. If you want it private, toggle the Private Channel option to restrict access. Then hit Create Channel. Now let's add a voice channel. Locate the channel category where you want the new channel. Hover over the heading and click the plus icon again. This time, select Voice Channel for live voice chat and screen sharing. Give it a name. Optionally, enable Private Channel if needed. Finally, click Create Channel, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.